I did the crack prank on my mum.
Hey, Mom.
Let me see. What the is that? Oh my God, what the is that? Are you idiot? You always...
Jen, can you help me crack my neck? It really hurts.
Yeah. Oh, for f***'s sake, don't ever ask me to do that shit again.
Can drip all over you.
Jump in. Sure. Ay! Short time safe! Ay! Andyan, short time.
Crack it.
Push it down. Hey! Scoop it. Get out of here. Get out of here.
And down. Come crack my neck. Oh, there you go, bud. I hope you're gonna be good. Oh, we got long neck. Long neck.
Go, Mom. Turn my head, just like that.
Oh, wait! Continue mo! Uy, may!
Okay, so I'm gonna do the pasta thing. Let's see how it goes. Espérate. Okay, dale. Mom, come here.
What?
Can you please help me? My neck hurts. Can you adjust it?
Oh, sure, honey.
Ah!
My neck been hurting. Don't hurt me, bro. Chill out. You feel me?
Mom!
You know why? Just give it a little pop. Just don't get too much. But quit playing. Shit. Damn, I ain't got my phone.
Video, Dan finished dressing. Friend, stop. That's not right to be. Oh, shit. Shut up. You gotta fight too much.
Neck cracking prank on my sister. Hurry up, my neck is hurting. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Kaya tali ang kiri.